This is the newest vehicle of the fleet. This is a 2011 Hyundai Sonata 2.0T. Yeah, T for turbo. One of the first words Elliot ever said.
E is for exhaust. The exhaust releases the fumes from the engine.
So we ventured into Hyundai territory again, despite their engine issues, and this car has done exceptionally well. It will get about 38 on the highway, and we'll get, I mean, if you're in the city a lot, mid-20s, is very easy to cruise in, but also if you need to pass someone, the 274 horse, little 4 cylinders in it, does the job. Well, today it's time to change the oil and the filter, and also the PCV valve for it. From what I've read, that may help if there's oil consumption, and so we're going to do both of those things today. My first time doing it. I'm sure there's 1,000 channels you can go and find an oil change video. So, but if you want to go on the experience with me, first time on this car. Sit tight. Let's get it pulled in the garage, and let's get cruising. So the first thing I want to do before I get to wallowing on the ground for changing the oil is change the PCV valve. This little $32 box right here, I was hoping maybe had a gold nugget in it, or maybe it was just something very impressive, but no. It's a PCV valve. Now we're going to replace this because when these clog, it causes it to like spit vapor and stuff out of the oil cap there. So I haven't even taken this lid off to see where it is, so we're going to discover it at the same time. So I'm going to put the precious right up here. We don't want to lose that. I'll suggest finding a different means of purchasing that guy. $32. Wow. All right. When the boys were little, when they couldn't find something, we would say, call it. If it was their shoes, they'd walk around the house saying, shoes, where is you? Normally they didn't find their shoes because they were calling it. But I mean, it might be worth a shot. PCV, where is you? You hiding? I don't see you. Guess I need to consult the resource I use for everything else. YouTube. All right, a quick search, and thank you to Richard Lloyd on YouTube. His video he made 11 years ago, he says it's right here. There we go. So that's a 15/16. Let's grab one of those. So can anybody guess one of the sizes I don't have? You said 15/16. That is correct. But what I do have is a 7/8 with a big old crack in it. From some point in the past where Harbor Freight just couldn't handle the stress. So I did get it out of there. There it is. Let's grab Precious. See how similar they are. All right, they do look the same. This one's got a little more wiggle. Crack 7/8 back on. Okay. PCV is installed with the wrong tool. I mean, if it worked, is it really wrong? Got that guy back on. Oil change time. Alright, I'm going to check the oil level before I drop it. Looks like it is sitting on the low mark, which is not abnormal for cars with a bad PCV valve for it to burn oil. And the cap comes off. Let's move downstairs, see what's happening. Alright, so this is the view with the panels. There is the oil filter. And there's the oil drain plug. Alright, so it's looking like a 17. Well, the cutout in this underbody plastic is the right size. Dripping forever. I haven't changed this before, so I don't know if it's hand tight. Oh, wow. I don't even know if you could call that hand tight. I mean, I just bumped it and it moved. Request. It wasn't the dealer to put it on. It was someone that either didn't have a lot of grip strength or didn't have a lot of care. So in honor of our top of the line PCV valve, I'm going to go with this Mobile 1. Well, not really. That isn't why I bought this. It's the only one that Walmart had. Got the mileage in the month and year that it got replaced. Yeah, I couldn't use new oil. The oil will only be new until it goes in the engine. All right, we're done. All right, 530 is what it calls for. Putting in 530 synthetic. .86 quarts. That's about 4.5. Might be 3/4. So hard to tell. Why not just make it 5 quarts instead of 4.86? The Ultima uses 4.9. I mean, talking about a couple of ounces. All right, I'm gonna start it up. Now I'm interested to see see me blowing oil out of it now. Seems to be something common for Hyundai and Kia there. All right, we'll set it down and sit the oil a little bit. We'll back it off these ramps. All right, it's been off for about a minute now. It's on flat ground. And it is up to the low mark. Yeah. All right, halfway between full and low. That'll do it. Go ahead and get this beautiful engine cover on so we can hold in all the heat and noises. So that's it. oil change, really quick. And there's probably 1,000 videos you can could have gone to see, but I appreciate you watching this one. Wearing my buddy Lucky's shirt. He is Lucky's DIY Garage, and he's a content creator out in San Diego on the West Coast, and he's an actual mechanic that works in an actual garage. You know, he does a lot of how-tos for things you might be looking for whatever you drive, and it's very helpful. And the thing that I'm most excited about is him taking up skateboarding again, because that is something I am not interested in trying, but I watch Lucky do it. So, if you're interested in seeing a lot of mechanic content with DIY, easy instruction, and Lucky drives an excursion. So check him out, Lucky's DIY Garage. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.